Hi, I'm your local Green Schools officer, Rob, and for this Marine Week, we've chosen to champion 5 different animals: sunfish, the jellyfish, the octopus, the shark, and the sea turtle. Join me in our draw-along sessions for each of the 5 animals. Hi guys, so today we're going to draw our shark. Okay, and you guys are going to use your pencil, so you have a rubber that you can rub things out with, but I'm going to use a pen today because the pen shows up better on the video than the pencil. Okay, so we want to use as much of the page as we can, so in about this much we're going to start with a little black dot like this. That is actually going to be our shark's eye. From that we're going to draw a line like this up above, and then the next bit we're going to do a line going down to underneath the shark's eye, so just about there. From there we're going to start its mouth, so a kind of a V shape in, coming back down. Okay, and then we'll continue the body on underneath and continue the body on up above. Okay, so up above we're going to start with our dorsal fin, so the big fin that we see out the top of the water when we see the sharks coming in our cartoons and our shows and in real life. We see this bit first. Okay, and then we're going to do our first trunk fin. So down the bottom there's another little fin that comes in like this. It's a bit more rounded than the first one, than the top one. Okay, and then we're going to continue on our body from the back, and it's coming down into a narrower point. So and continuing on from the top, and it's coming up to a narrow point. Now we're going to stop there because on the top he has another little fin like this, and on the bottom he actually has 2 little fins like this. Okay, and we're coming to our narrow point. Okay, so before we do our tail fin, we're going to just put a dot where we want the center of it to be, and we're going to go up like that, and we're going to go out like that. And this top one is going to go a little bit further than the other one. And we're going to bring it down a little bit and just do a little V notch like that and bring it all the way so it joins the dot that we did. And then we're going to do the same at the bottom. So he has a little kind of a bite shape taken out of his tail. Just adds a little bit of character. And that's our basic shark to start with. What's he missing? He's missing lots of sharp teeth, so we'll do that. Little triangles, as many as you can fit in his mouth. And you have his teeth. And then how does the shark breathe? He breathes with gills, so he's missing some gills, 4 or 5 gills, just lines that are slightly curved, very little curve at the bottom. 4, and we'll give him 5, and that's his gills, so he can breathe. And then as well as that, there's actually 2 of these trunk fins. There's one on either side of his body, so we want to do one for the other side of his body. So we're going to do just here a little version, not as large as the other one, so it doesn't come all the way down, just a little bit that comes out like that. And that is our shark. Now we can add in a lot more detail, color them in, we can add seaweed down the bottom, and we can even add in a small little fish if we wanted to and fill in our picture. But that's our shark as it is.